One beautiful day, there were 3 little birds living in a green forest. The birds were named Lulu, Mimi, and Tutu. They loved to fly and play in the blue sky. One day, they decided to take a trip to the top of the mountain to see the world from above. They flew high and started laughing and having fun. But as they were flying, dark clouds gathered, and a strong storm hit. Lulu and Mimi hid under a large tree, while Tutu decided to keep flying. After a while, a loud thunderclap struck, and Tutu fell from the sky. Lulu and Mimi felt scared and ran to help him. The little birds went to Tutu and took him back to their nest. He was injured, but he was happy to be with his friends. The 3 birds decided to always stick together, no matter what challenges they faced. Since that day, they became the best of friends and learned the value of solidarity and courage. They flew together, explored the forest, and lived unforgettable adventures.